Today we're going to make brownie truffles. Wait, keto brownie truffles. Okay, hold on, one more time. The end result is not that pretty to look at, but boy, is it tasty.
Like my husband.
Thank you, I needed that laugh. But the end result is not that pretty to look at. Stop it! There's a fruit fly deciding to fly right over what I'm doing.
Go ahead and stop.
Yeah.
I'm trying to end, like sometimes you end with a pretty serious look on your face, so.
Oh. You've got your nice shortbread. Am I in focus? Because I'm moving like that.
I mean.
Okay, let me try that again. This way. The problem is this camera. Now you can just, it sometimes goes right through the bag, just so you know. I need my 1/4 teaspoon, which is dirty. Were you trying to keep yourself from coughing that whole time? Okay, I'm gonna do one more just because of that. Do you need a glass of water?
I'm good.
Okay. But you can, I wanted to say 2 things about the cheese, which is like you can really use any cheese you want.
You mean a Reese?
What's that? No, I just want to keep going. And you're gonna, top, come on. I'm backwards, I know. Stop that. One more, because it tastes good. But still a slight jiggle in the center. My husband's jiggling behind the camera.
Jiggle in the center.
Okay, go, turn it off. So glad we're hearing the garbage truck out there. Now, gonna dance. Okay, just like, I can't say the words. I'm just gonna keep eating it. Okay, I better stop. I think that was better, right? Little less, okay. So stop it.